Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can tackle in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone. So the first thing that we're gonna do is go ahead and start a game. For example, I'm gonna go to Live Today. And then once you're here, I'm gonna choose, for example, this mode. Gonna click on NBA and then click on play. And right here, you can see your team and your opponent's team, and then click on play. Right here, you're gonna find this in the bottom. And after that, the game is gonna start loading. Once the game has loaded, you're gonna be right here. So, for example, I'm gonna pass the ball to my teammates, and then we're gonna try to give the ball to the other team. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can tackle. So for example, I'm just gonna stand here until I give them the ball. Once you stay like this for too long, they will take the ball. I took it. Okay, so now they took the ball. Basically, guys, you can hold it to guard by this. Basically, guys, when you're defending, the sprint button will be changed to the guard button. You can also hold this if you want to guard, and you can also take the ball by that button. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.